Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Ford Transit sliding door. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then begin by sliding the door open and visually checking rollers and track for dirt or damage. Clean the track with a cloth and brush, remove grit, and then apply a thin layer of silicone-based lubricant to sliding surfaces. Test the door after lubrication to see if movement smooths out. If rollers wobble or fail to rotate, replace them before proceeding with hinge or striker adjustments to ensure accurate alignment and quiet operation. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes reading service manuals, PDF diagrams, and repair notes easy while you work, thanks to its glare-free display and long battery life. It's great for keeping instructions handy in the garage without bright reflections. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Loosen hinge bolts just enough to move the door. Shift it until gaps around the door are even and the sliding action clears the body. Adjust the striker by moving it up or down and in or out to stop rattles and ensure the latch engages fully. Tighten bolts incrementally while testing the door after each change. Take care to align the door so seals compress evenly and the sliding mechanism operates without binding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.